Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to filter and organize Yahoo email. So over here at the left sidebar, you will see folders over here. So you just want to go ahead and create folders for how you want to organize your emails. Like for example, you can make a folder for your work-related emails, and you can also make one for school like so. And after you've done that, you're going to the settings over here at the top right corner. Then you're going to click on more settings. Then over here at the left sidebar, click on filters, then click on add new filters. Then this is how you can filter and organize your emails. So first you want to create a name for your filter. I'm just going to write school over here. And then over here, you're going to set your rules. You can filter your emails based on where it came from or who sent it to you. Like for example, you can select the filter criterion over here and select contains. Then over here, you can type email addresses. Like for example, I can type here the email of my classmate, or I can also write the email of my university so that it can automatically filter all the school related emails. And then you can also filter emails by the contents of it. You just want to click on the select a filter criterion over at subject and body. And then you want to choose contains, and then over at the type of filter value, you can input a specific word or a specific value that you know is related to your folder. Like for example, I'm going to input class over here since it's related to school. And after you've done your rules for your filter, you just want to select the folder and choose the folder that you made, and then just click on save. And then you just want to do the same for your other folders in order to organize your Yahoo mail. So that's it. Thanks for watching.